were waiting as the traffic moved through our hearts and our heads, but things were different then. For the quiet man, shifting, things were shifting through the wars and halls. There were no wars at all. For the quiet friends of the quiet man. Sunshine through the window panes, down all the English lanes where they walked again. The quiet men talking, they were talking of the time to come and all the time that's gone, and they smiled again. The quiet men. They were listening as the season changed and all the reason changed, and the people came and went by the quiet man. Walking, they were walking through the rainy days, looking at all their faces, and no one ever noticed them. The quiet man.
Quiet man, quiet man.